वेलकम एवरीवन टू द बेस्ट फ्रेंड कन्वर्सेशन TBC। आज की इस वीडियो में हम अरे लिस्ट का इम्प्लीमेंटेशन देखेंगे एंड हम सभी उन मेथड का यूज़ करेंगे जो यूज़ होता है लाइक ऐड करने का, रिमूव, हाउ कैन बी रिमूव एन एलिमेंट, हाउ कैन बी ऐड ऑल, रिमूव ऑल। ये जो मेथड है इनका इम्प्लीमेंटेशन देखेंगे। शॉर्टिंग कैसे होती है, हाउ कैन बी शॉर्ट अ लिस्ट, अरे लिस्ट, एंड हाउ कैन बी मेक अ इम्यूटेबल एरे लिस्ट कैसे बना सकते हैं। तो बने रहिए इस वीडियो में लास्ट तक, हम इन सभी टॉपिक को आज प्रैक्टिकली यहाँ पे कवर करेंगे। सो लेट्स डू दिस मेथड वन बाय वन। लेट्स क्रिएट अ लिस्ट ऑफ टाइप स्ट्रिंग, नेम शुड बी स्टूडेंट हम यहाँ पे ऐड करेंगे एरे लिस्ट एंड वी यूज, हाउ कैन वी ऐड स्टूडेंट, वी कैन यूज ऐड method to add student. Let's say one Leila, Rahul, Pathan, Vaibhav. Nice name. Student dot add one more. Let's say Sara. So we have taken some student Leila, Rahul, Pathan, Vaibhav, and Sara. As we know, we can add duplicate elements in our array list. So I can add Leila 2 times like this. I can add Rahul again. If I print this list, it will print in the form of insertion order. So Leila, Rahul, Pathan, Vaibhav, Sara, Leila, Rahul. As you know, the array list print the output in the form of insertion order. So this is the output, how it looks like when it output looks like an insertion order. So what we want to short the, so how can we short this? We can short using collection dot short, and the name of the list we gonna short student, and after shorting, let's print it after shorting the elements. Shorting the elements, it must be look cool and alphabetical order. So after sorting the elements, Leila, Leila, Pathan, Rahul, Rahul, Sara, Vaibhav, it looks like cool, it looks like in alphabetical order, and we can see the Leila repeats 2 times. As we know, the array list can have duplicate elements, and it's the output after sorting the elements. Now we know how to add. Let's see how can we remove elements from a, how can we add element to particular, let's say particular index. So how can we do that? Let's say I want to add one more element at the 0th index. So at 0 index, what I want to add, one more name, let's say Tom. So after adding one more element at the 0th index, at the first position, after adding elements, what will be the output? Let's see that. So here at the 0th position, Tom had added already, and we haven't shorted it yet because as we know, the output of the array list should be like the insertion order, and if we short it, it will go like the alphabetical order. Looks cool. After that, let's leave it and let's go for the removal. How can we remove an element? So we can remove element with the index. With the index, like we can use the index number to remove any element on a particular index, or we can use the name itself to remove the element. Let's say Leila. What will the output after removing a element Leila? So let's see the student output. So Tom Leila, तो Leila जो 2 टाइम था, so first time जो उसे मिला उसने उसे remove कर दिया. So Leila is removed from the list. If you want to remove some element from a particular index, let's say 3. So output after removing the element from the 3rd index will be Tom, Leila, Pathan, Rahul, Sara, and Vaibhav. So Rahul from the 3rd index got removed from the array list. What if we want to add one more array list? So what we can do, we can make a list which is immutable type string, as a student 2, and we can add using list of, and in that what we can do, let's say Abhishek, Mohan, Krishna, and let's say Rama. So this will be the output of student to list. So the output of a student to list is Abhishek, Mohan, Krishna, and Rama. So this is an immutable type list. What if we want to add some element after creating it? It will accept or not. Let's see. Sachin, let's add one more element in our student to list. What will be the output? See, we cannot add says south student 2. So it's giving the error Java lang immutable collection, that we can see it's written here, immutable type collection. We cannot add any element after the creation of immutable list. So this is the immutable type list collection. So we cannot add any element after the creation of immutable type list. Okay, what if we want to add two elements to a list? We can use the add all method, that is student list got add all the student to list. And what will be the output after adding all the student 2 elements in the student list? Let's see. So Tom, Leila, Pathan, Rahul, Sara, Veva, Abhishek, Mohan, Krishna, and Rama. So this half of them are from the student list and half of them are from the student 2 list. And after using the add all method, we can add on both of the list together. So this is the use of add all. And similarly, we can use remove all. Remove all student 2. So what will the output after removing all the elements from the student of student 2? The output will be of student like this: Tom, Leila, Patan, Rahul, Sara, and Vaibhav. This is the original list what we have added in the starting. And after removing all the elements from the student of student 2, this is all the output. So here we have uh, check all the method, that is add all, remove all. How can we create a mutable class, and how can we sort the element in the collection? We have seen here, and this is all about the array list. So thank you for watching this video.